Hello everyone, welcome to ITLS Academy. Our lecture is on genetic engineering. In this particular course, we will discuss the detailed study of genetic engineering. In this particular lecture, we are going to discuss the basis of genetic engineering. Genetic engineering. Genetic engineering is the process of using a recombinant DNA technology to alter the genetic makeup of an organism. Recombinant DNA technology refers to the joining together of DNA molecules from two different species that are inserted into a host organism to produce new genetic combinations. How new genetic combinations forms. This recombinant DNA technology creates genetic diversity at the level of genes that reflects difference in the DNA sequence of different organisms. Genetic engineering is a term that was first introduced into our language in the 1970 to describe the emerging field of recombinant DNA technology and some of things that were going on. Recombinant DNA technology started with pretty simple thing, that is cloning. Cloning is the process of producing individuals with one identical or virtually identical DNA either naturally or artificially. A few of organisms can produce clones through asexual reproduction also. Very small piece of DNA and growing them in bacteria and has evolved to an enormous field where whole genomes can be cloned and moved from cell to cell, causing variation of techniques that all would come under genetic engineering as very broad definition. Genetic engineering based on recombination was pioneered in 1973 by American biochemists Stanley and Cohen and Herbert B. Boyer. Definition. The term genetic engineering initially referred to various techniques used for the modification or manipulation of organism through the process of heredity and reproduction. That is, genetic engineering is the term that is engineering of genes. Modification or manipulation are the process that have crucial role in genetic engineering. Modification means change, like we can change something as we want. Heredity is the important in genetic engineering because things pass from one generation to another, or we can say that any change made at the level of gene passes to progeny and causes change. This all occurs through the process of reproduction, that we can say it is the initial of information transfer from one to another generation. DNA molecules from two or more sources are combined either within cells or in vitro and are then inserted into host organism in which they are able to propagate. Within cell means something that is happening inside the cell or in natural environment, while in vitro means we provide a medium artificially to carry out all those processes. Here is the course module. This video is an introductory video on the course of genetic engineering. In this course, we will deal with recombinant DNA technology along with various tools and techniques. All that we have studied is a brief introduction of the genetic engineering. Here are the topics we are going to cover in this course. In the part 1, we will discuss the basis of genetic engineering. In this particular part, our topics will be Introduction to Genetic Engineering, Introducing Molecular Biology, Working with Nucleic Acids, and the Tools of the Trade. These all four topics will be in part 1. Our part 2 will be the methodology of gene manipulation. In this particular part, our chapters will be host cell and vectors, cloning strategies, the polymerase chain reaction, selection, screening, and analysis of recombinants, and bioinformatics. In part 3, we will discuss genetic engineering in action. This will include understanding genes, genomes, and other processes. Part 2 will be genetic engineering and biotechnology. Next will be our medical and forensic applications of gene manipulation, transgenic plants and animals, the other sort of cloning, and brave new world or genetic migrate nightmare. See you soon with new lectures. Thank you very much guys for watching this video.